Okay, so for today, we will be talking about the adjusting entries. So, Module 1, Lesson 2 is all about the preparation of the adjusting entries. So, in this lesson, you will refresh your knowledge and acquire in-depth skills in analyzing transactions and providing the correct journal entries, specifically on the adjustments. So this is step 5 of the accounting cycle. So we already had the identification of the recordable transactions in step 1. We have the journalizing of accountable transactions in step 2. Then we have the preparation of the trial balance the posting of the journal entries to the ledger in step 3, and 4 is the preparation of the trial balance. But the trial balance is not yet presumably complete or correct because there are items there that may have been recorded, but we need we need to adjust them at the end of the period for any expired portion or for earned portions. So that's why there is a need for adjusting entries. And also, there are other reasons why you need to adjust the accounts. So at the end of the accounting period, some income and expenses may have not been recorded, taken up, or updated. Hence, there is a need to update the accounts. So this is done through the adjusting entries. So these adjusting entries are prepared at the end of an accounting period to update account balances to reflect correct balances as of the balance sheet date and to conform to the accrual concept. So we already know what is accrual concept, right? So you need to record or recognize income regardless if collection has been made, as long as it is already performed, or you're going to record an expense regardless if it is paid or not, as long as you already incurred those expenses. So the problem, if you do not prepare the adjusting entries, some elements of the financial statements may not reflect their true values when reported in the financial statements. So that's why there's a need to adjust the accounts. So the adjusting entries will be prepared for the following. So there are five main groups or five main transactions that will necessitate adjusting entries. The first one are the accruals. It include both the these include both accrued expenses and accrued income. So what is an accrued expense? So these are expenses that are already incurred but not yet paid. For example, you received the bill for electricity and water. You already consume that, or you already enjoy the benefits of those utilities, but you have not paid them yet. So, mahimo siyang accrued expense. If you are the one providing for the service and your customers have not yet paid you, or um, you have receivable in terms of notes ba na siya or loans, and by passage of time naka-earn na ka og interest pero wala pa siya nimo nakolekta, so that's an accrued income. So that those items belong to the accruals. Then we have the deferrals. So bali ni siya sa accruals, kay ang accruals is nagamit na nimo pero wala pa kakabayad, or na-perform na nimo pero wala pa din mo nakolekta, kani siya is advance payment. So, if that is a prepaid expense, kita ang ni bayad daan. So, wala prepaid, gibayaran daan. Pero wala pa nato na-consume or wala pa nato nagamit. For example, nagbayad ka daan sa boarding house for 3 months. So, if only 1 month pa lang ang imuhang nagamit dito, 1 month pa lang ka nagstay dito, so meaning na kay prepaid nga duha ka bulan. Then you have unearned income. Kita na sad ang nidawat ani. Kung ang prepaid kita nibayad in advance, ang unearned income, kita ang nidawat sa payment from our customer. Sila may nibayad in advance sa atua. So, on our side, dawat na nato ang money, pero wala pa ta naka-perform og service. That's why it is unearned yet. Unearned, wala pa siya na-earn. Because if it's already earned, so, ang i-record nato kay income na largo. Service income. Na. Then third is depreciation. So that's the systematic allocation of the cost of the asset over the useful life. If that is using the straight line method. In some other methods, they use the basis of the number of production units. Pila may na-produce or pwede po servicing hours niya or ang period kung kano siya pwedeng magamit or pila may capacity niya para maka-perform sa iyahang service. Like, itong akong giingon service hours, pila man ang total nga service hours nga kaya niyang i-provide. So, depreciation. Then, you have bad debts. So, these are portion of your receivables nga maglisod na ka og kolekta. So, kinahanglan nga mag-assign ta og amounts for those debts nga uncollectible. Then you have merchandise inventory. If you're using the if the business is a merchandising business, sorry. So if the business is a merchandising business and you're using the adjusting entry method, then part of the adjusting entries would be the merchandise inventory adjustment. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with the latest video lessons. Thank you for watching.